Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Wonderland. Today's lecture is going to be the one you are waiting for. That is our first Python program, which is Hello World program. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe now and also press the bell icon to get the notification of all my further videos. Now without any further delay, let's get started. So guys, before writing our first code, I want to clear some basics for you. If you have watched my previous two videos, then you must be knowing that we have installed two things that are first is Python itself and second is JetBrains PyCharm, which is an IDE, Integrated Development Environment. And the point here is these two are different things. IDE is used to run complex and big programs, where the Python command line we can use to perform simple and small operations. So in this lecture, we will be using the Python command line, not the PyCharm, so that we can clear the basics. Okay. So let's open our Python command line. In search panel here, you can write Python, and this is the Python 3.6 app. So this is the command line of Python. Here you can see the three less than signs. We will start writing our code here. So let's start with hello world. We have to print the hello world. So let's write print, then parenthesis opening, then double quotes, and write what you want to print, that is hello world. Okay, now close the quotes, then close the parenthesis. That's it, and hit the enter. So here what we did is we write print, then opening and closing parenthesis, then double quotes, hello world. Here no need to write semicolon. We write hello world in double quotes because the hello world is a string and string needs to be written in two quotes. So our output is hello world. So that's it. This is the simple hello world program by using just one line in Python. So now let's see more such simple operations which are mathematical operation. For example, we can just say 3 plus 4 and hit enter, 7, then 8 minus 5, 3. You can also write 5 minus 8. It will give the negative output. Then let's multiply. For example, 10 into, for multiplication you will use the asterisk mark. Okay, this mark. This is the mark which we'll use for multiplication, not cross sign. Okay. Then 10 into 3, it will give 30. Okay. For division, let's say we will write 3 divided by 4, enter. We get 0.75. This number is a floating point number. That is, we use point here, 0.75. If you don't want your answer to be such a floating point number but a whole integer, then you can use 3/4 0. It will remove this point and this 75. It will give you only the integer number. This is the double forward slash you can use to get the whole number. Okay. Then for more operations you can use the modulus sign. For example, 81 mod of 4, you will get 1. That is remainder. Let's say 81 divided by 4. So this is the 20 number. Okay. Let's not divide it, double divide it. 81 double forward slash 4, you will get 20. 4 into 20, 80. Okay, and 81 minus 20, we will get 1. So this is the remainder. So if you use this sign, which is percentage sign, you will get remainder. Okay, now let's see another operation of floating point number. If we can 16.8 into 4, we will get the answer in the floating point number. Okay, but if we use the integer like 16 into 4, it will give you 64, that is whole. Here there will be no floating point number. Okay, we can even perform some complex operations which are what we will do is 2 into 3 into in bracket suppose 8 divided by 2, enter, we will get 24. This floating point number comes because we use one forward slash. Okay, now let's do something unusual, that is suppose we will write 5 divided by 0. It will give 0 division error or division by 0 error. We can't divide any number by 0, so avoid making such a mistakes in your program. This is just simple example. So yeah, that's it for today's guys. We have first written our hello world program and also performed some simple operations in Python command line. So I hope you understand it, and if you like today's video then please hit one like and also subscribe to my channel to get more such a videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.